What happens when the quiet wisdom of Japan meets the warm simplicity of Scandinavia? The result is more than a beautiful house. It becomes a sanctuary where every corner invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and truly feel at home. Today, we'll step inside a stunning small home that proves luxury isn't measured by size, but by thoughtful design, natural beauty, and the peaceful moments created within its walls. The journey begins with a humble exterior wrapped in warm cedar wood, soft white plaster, and clean architectural lines. Every detail feels calm, never demanding attention, yet impossible to ignore. Large windows welcome daylight while connecting the home with nature. A simple tip worth remembering: combining natural wood with neutral colors creates timeless curb appeal that remains elegant through every season without feeling outdated. Stepping inside, the living room immediately feels open and comforting. Gentle sunlight dances across pale oak floors, while linen fabrics soften every surface. Instead of filling the room with furniture, each carefully chosen piece has space to breathe. This balance reflects both Japanese and Scandinavian philosophy. Keeping negative space isn't emptiness. It allows beautiful textures, natural light, and meaningful furniture to become the true focal points. The kitchen quietly becomes the heart of everyday living. Smooth wood cabinetry, handcrafted ceramics, and matte stone countertops create effortless harmony. Open shelving displays only treasured essentials instead of clutter. Fresh herbs near the window add fragrance and life. A simple decorating lesson emerges here. Displaying fewer, higher quality objects creates warmth and character, while making even a compact kitchen feel spacious and inviting. bedroom embraces simplicity with remarkable elegance. Soft cotton bedding, warm wooden furniture, and muted earth tones encourage complete relaxation. Morning light gently filters through sheer curtains, creating a peaceful rhythm that welcomes every new day. Rather than decorating every wall, carefully chosen artwork and natural textures tell a quiet story. Sometimes the most luxurious bedroom is simply the one that allows your mind to truly rest. Throughout the home, nature is never treated as decoration. It becomes part of daily life. Indoor plants, stone accents, woven baskets, and natural branches blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Every material ages gracefully, gaining more character over time. One timeless design principle shines here. Choosing authentic natural materials not only creates beauty today, but also builds lasting comfort for years to come. Despite its modest footprint, every inch of this home serves a thoughtful purpose. Hidden storage keeps everyday life organized, while multifunctional furniture adapts beautifully to changing needs. Yet the true magic isn't clever storage. It's the feeling of calm that fills each room. This home reminds us that intentional design transforms limited square footage into a place where memories, conversations, and quiet moments naturally flourish. As our tour comes to an end, this beautiful Japanese Scandinavian home leaves behind more than design inspiration. It reminds us that a peaceful life begins with thoughtful choices, meaningful spaces, and the courage to embrace simplicity. A home doesn't need to be large to feel extraordinary. It simply needs to reflect the life you truly want to live. If this cozy journey inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join LUMACASA Studio for more timeless home design inspiration that transforms everyday living into something truly beautiful.